short, you guys got the same kind of hair?
No, we don't. My hair is
okay, so you guys are boyfriend and girlfriend now.
Yes, you are.
You agree?
So Anton and Courtney are going out.
He said he'll give you a chance. If
and this is going on Facebook,
like you,
then I'll give you my cord tonight.
Okay?
Why are you taking a picture?
So it's all good?
It's recording. Yes!
That's officially asked.
Come on, Anton. Stop being a little Jew.
What? That's what.
What? Can I get my dick on that camera?
No.
Why not? Okay, so you want to go Jenna? I was like,
I don't want to, though.
Give me a chance. Okay.
Wait, what?
How far is that, Anton?
I didn't say it was going to be hard. See? So, yo, I ain't got a comment. I heard the conversations last year you and Bobby had, yo.
Hey, that was last year.
From a little girl in grade 9.
No, I'm not like that anymore.
Whatever you do, it's Tyler. Good to see how you from the school.
Okay. Alright, so, something. You say okay. Come on. You're standing by. Well, unless you take your card. Just kidding.
You want to fight with me?
No.
Can I get to my top? Oh, very much. Jenna! Come on, what happened to the kiss?
I literally want to.
Oh, shut up! Everyone stop. She's really Jewish?
Would you kiss Anton?
Oh.
Yeah, obviously she went out with the fucking guy. Would you kiss Anton?
Yes.
Just yes.
You guys went out before?
No.
She's going out with him, he said. Oh.
Answer. She doesn't want to say it, man. That's a little weird.
Well, with everyone watching, I mean, come on.
I'm just asking and then they'll fucking do it.
And like, having people sick people, like, that's awkward.
All those not even doing it.
Okay, everybody leave, except for me.
Yes, Jenna, with the camera.
Okay. You're gonna be alone, Anton?
Yeah, are you ever gonna be alone, Anton?
Going out and shit. So.
Look, it's like he doesn't even want to.
Well, he doesn't.
How do you know that?
He will.
Deep down he does.
Running those smart stuff.
I'm so happy that she finally got the little
fucking
fucking
like.
Not a whore.
That's why he's going out with you. It's not considered a horror for going out with his girlfriend.
That was mean. So what? Like, are you guys gonna kiss now? Like, come on.
Looks like she wants.
At least kiss her.
My God, who cares?
Hug her.
You just do it!
Hug her! Anton, you're supposed to see if she wants to by kissing.
Yeah, you freaking weirdo.
Guys, you're like recording.
So, like, can I kiss you now? Like, who says that?
Is she a virgin?
Guys, this is awkward. Guys,
Is she a
don't talk about my
virgin?
virginity.
No, she's not.
Well, you're not a
okay, so
virgin?
you're not gonna pop that cherry, Anton. But still,
I don't think you'd make her bleed anyway.
it'll be slip
Hey,
and slide
some
right
girls
from the
don't.
start.
Guys.
Speaking of Jew.
It'll be slip and slide right
No,
from
I'm
the
not
start.
convincing.
No, I probably couldn't even fit my teeth in.
Shut up.
Like I'm talking about your girlfriend? Fucking what are you gonna do?
Nothing.
Alright, you guys can spend the rest of lunch together. Alright, let's go. Yeah, actually, you guys go.
What are we gonna do?
Okay, come on, Jenna.
Bye!
Bye, guys.
You guys stay there! Stay there! Yeah! Bye!
You fucked this up, I swear to God.
Oh, they left! They left it! Okay, so, what did you just do? Tell the camera what you guys just did.
I don't want to tell the camera. I don't like being on camera. I could put my dick on camera.
You
That's all
don't.
I'll do to the
Okay.
camera.
Michael, just right here.
Yeah, that was one.
We just hooked up Courtney McCarroll and Anton.
I was like, yeah!
Luke Tabier. Anton Luke Tabier. Really? Wow, what the fuck? But yeah, so they're going out. And most likely they're gonna fuck.
She's probably gonna get some right downstairs in the fucking pizza room.
He is never, ever going to tell you.
No.
So she should just come at him. She's going to grab one day. I'm not.
Well, he's never gonna make it.
No, it's better. You like walk over the closet.
Well,
I'm on, Anton.
Say peace out.
Looking like, oh, I'm